Hey guys, now that the C-10 is almost done, got to figure out what project you want to work on next so I can start ordering some of the parts. So I figure what's the best way, then let you guys decide the next project that we work on. So I'll walk you through what we got out here in the Lawson's junkyard of used cars, and you guys pick. So first up, we've got the S10. I know I've done a lot of videos on the S10. Pretty much need to finish the plumbing on it for the LS engine, then go and do the bed, put on a new bed for it, finish up the interior. So still got a ways to go, but that could be the next project. Next we got is the good old Suburban. Kind of matches the C-10 with the green color. Got an engine in it, needs a water pump, radiator, obviously rust repair. Doors are stuck on it, so I'll have to clean up the latches on that. Does have the barn doors out back right now, but I already went and got a set of the actual tailgate rear hatch, the upper hatch and the actual tailgate. So this is one project we can do. It's got some rust up there in the corner, pretty much only on the roof. Most of it else is down here in the rockers. These bourbons are notorious for getting rusty, but all in all it's pretty good bones. Then we got Old Yeller. It's Longbed. Already got the bed off. Got the 20-inch rallies on it. It's a straight 6, 3 on the tree. Running and driving truck. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but got the long bed off of it. Started to break it all apart to do a short bed conversion. Next we got the 69 Firebird over here. I got the engine in my garage for it. It's got some rust up here on the upper hood. Just find a new hood for it, replace that. Then a little bit in the lower quarters. It does have some slight damage to the right rear quarter. Can't see it right now, but we need to put a new right quarter on it. Probably a new tail panel. Then we've got the two-door Tahoe over here. Still covered up on one of the sides of it. Dirty as heck, flat tires right now, but two-door Tahoe, 4-wheel drive. Started the rust repair on it and then just punted it because I was working on other stuff, but got the quarters cut out, lower rockers, just need to put the patch panels on that. Obviously clean it up because it's filthy. And then the other option we have is the good old 66 Nova. Buried back in because this was the first car I brought out here to the house, but 66 Nova. I got 67 front fenders, front end I can put on it. Pretty close to the front end, just a little bit different than the 66. Like the 67 better. Just got a new hood for it because whoever had it before cut out some ridiculous hole for who knows what. But all in all, pretty solid car. Could use quarters. Little rust repair. It's got some little spots up here in the windshield, but other than that, the roof line's good. Needs a new windshield because that one's cracked. But we'll need floor pan patches. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Alright, so you guys let me know which one you think I should work on. Go ahead and leave a comment, and probably within the next week or two I'll look at which one has the most comments and most recommendations on what you want me to see to do to it, and I'll go ahead and start working on it. Thanks guys.